Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Quantum 400. In this video I'll show you the headphones preview. In the beginning, take a look at your headphones, especially on the left ear cup. Right here we've got the game, chat, balance button. Here we've got the volume button. And here we've got the button thanks to which we can mute or unmute the microphone. Right here we've got 3.5mm headphones jack and USB-C charging port. On the right ear cup we don't have any buttons. If you want to use your microphone, firstly you have to open it. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.